Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and today I want to show you how I made this, mainly this part of the, a distressed and stained pillow cover design, because I wanted to add it to this gorgeous image right here. And this right here comes from Luise Heinzl, her and Barbara from 49 Dragonflies. They created a fun little digital kit for the Dephemerember, and both channels have different Effie images, and one of them is for like the pillow cover, which is what this is, and then you also had freebies for different things, and I'll have links in the descriptions for all of the different journals and journal kits that they have, the freebies they offer, and the different things that are part of the Dephemerember with the prompt lists and all that stuff. So, but this video is basically showing you how I created this right here, this back part of the pillow, because I wanted to have a matching design that went along with this gorgeous image here. So that's what this video is about this side of the pillow mainly, and assembling it too. But I printed this image out with, I actually have an inkjet printer, and I was pleasantly surprised at how bright the colors came out. And I used this inkjet art paper that I got from Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description. And it printed out pretty well, because this printer that I have is kind of old, like 14 years old. My husband had gotten it for me like years ago, and I just kind of use it as like a backup printer. And I ran out of ink out of my other printer, so I just kind of used it as a backup because I wanted to get this done. And so I was surprised at how the colors turned out so well. So in here, this image right here was from Luise Heinzl's on her blog, where she had her freebies and stuff like that listed. And I also used this little image. This was from one of her digital kits that I bought years ago, from Luise Heinzl on her Etsy shop, the Crafty Critters Junk Journal pages. And I just kind of took out, let's see, hold on. Here's my little bundle thing. This right here is my little holder, my scrap holder. And this image is from Barbara. And I just kind of printed them out, and I printed them out double, different backgrounds. And I just kind of collaged them together to create this right here. But the paper that I'm looking for, which is in my little scrap, is right here. This is from that Crafty Critters journal pages, and it had like different little critters on there, and I thought that would go pretty well with this. And it has it says, "Hi Effie, it's good to see you again, my friend," because these are like sea animals, you know, fish and all that. And since the scenery has like a ocean kind of backdrop, I thought, hey, it's like Effie is coming to see some of his friends in the ocean. So it's like bringing these people back, or critters back. So that's what that inspiration's from. And so basically what I did with this front was, like I said, I printed it out on this canvas multiple times. And I just kind of, I fussy cut out Effie. And then I took some, I think I used some Tim Holtz Distress Mica glaze, I think that's what it's called, Tim Holtz glaze, on his eye, on Effie's eyes, and some embossing powder, some I think this, yeah, detailed embossing powder, and then just embossed it. And I took a little bit of ink from Vintage Photo. I have a new one, and then I have an old one, and I just took the paintbrush and kind of just went over top of this one because it was almost out anyway. So I just dipped my brush directly onto here and then just kind of went around and got the colors. And then I took a Morphone acrylic pen and went around Effie and highlighted some of the other parts of the pillow. And then I just stitched on this little fabric here. This is some distressed and stained, just muslin fabric. And then I took some faux Gimp and went around here before assembling this, and I'll show you the assembly process, but I'm just telling you about what I did with this because I didn't make a video on this one right here. I only made a video of just this side. So yeah, I added the faux Gimp, and then back here I just, like I said, I printed out multiple images on the Inkjet art paper, and I just fussy cut out some of those flowers from right here and then added them back here. I think it was from this image. It may have been from one of the other ones. Like I said, I got some from Barbara and then some from Luise. But anyway, let me just go ahead and show you the process of how I made this. And I'm just going to put some music on and I'll show you.